guys, it's me Mixie. For today's video, we will mix Tulle White semi-gloss latex paint. Tulle White has a touch of elegance with a calm feeling of happiness and inbuilt grace. This Tulle White brings something truly unique to every part of your home. Let's start.
Bartender
Our client order 1 pale Tulle White semi-gloss latex paint mix. We prepare 95% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Let's start by pouring small ratio of ochre color black on a pail of semi-gloss latex white. Let's also add ochre color raw sienna. Stir the paint very well. Let's compare to our client sample. We are more lighter. Let's add more ochre color black. Let's compare it once more. Okay, let's add more ochre color raw sienna. Yes, we got the Tulle White color already mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and request about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.